Hey there, let's talk about how you can force your functions to take some parameters as keyword arguments only, or as keyword parameters only. So when you're defining a function, let's say I'm defining a function that's going to add two numbers together, and I'm going to say that there's there's a third argument that is going to be a boolean, and that decides if I print the result. So if the boolean is true, then I'm going to print the result of adding the two numbers. Otherwise, I'll return the result of adding the two numbers. Now, I can call the function like this, 3 for true, for example. Now, this looks a bit confusing. If I do not know the signature of this function, and if I just look at this, it feels like I'm going to be adding the 3, the 4, and the true, which looks weird, but is possible because 3 plus 4 plus true is 8. So maybe it would be helpful if I called the function like this, right? But as you can see, I can do it like this. So in order to change this function so that the print result parameter can only be used in this way, we have to change the signature of the function. So that's going to be, we define add, it takes these first two parameters, and now with an asterisk, I'm forcing everything that comes after to be keyword only. So now I can do everything exactly the same. So let's make it slightly shorter. Return a plus b. So now this does not work. This fails. It says type error. Add takes two positional arguments, but three were given. The third one being this one. And in order to fix this, we use our keyword argument. And now this works. So by using an asterisk in your function definition, you say that everything that comes to the right should be a keyword argument only. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.